Pakistan is blessed with abundant sunshine. Through innovative solar storage technology, this natural gift is now being turned into reliable, clean electricity, changing lives in hospitals, factories, and homes. For Memon Hospital, stable power is a matter of life and death. Medical devices, refrigeration for medicines, and climate control all depend on an uninterrupted energy supply. The hospital has deployed Solis energy storage inverters to build a 131 kilowatt-hour smart light storage system, achieving 24-hour stable power supply.
The power grid failed that day. My heart was in my throat. My wife relied on a ventilator for her heart condition. Elle almost thought Elle would lose her. Thankfully, the power never went out.
Stable energy doesn't just save lives. It powers progress. Solis inverters make blackouts a worry of the past. Under Pakistan's generous sun, Solis amplifies the power of every sunbeam, making 24/7 worry-free electricity an achievable reality. Developing technology to power the world with clean energy